偏偏啉甲这认香，因为我有满腹心事无得讲，请来酒国做英雄。干杯呀干杯，尽量扩大，莫搁想过去的创伤，搁想无路用，点出笑容。 我太好，行入梦中，每日醒来犹原是一尾活龙。哦 ，Thank you，谢谢。
In the tradition of voting and Corinthian spirit, goodwill, and sportsmanship, thank you for teaching me and showing me. Thanks for teaching me and showing me so much. I'm learning. I'm also going to Hong Kong on a Chinese junk. With you. With you.
You can join us.
I'm
From here, maybe go to Long Beach.
It's my dream.
All right.
And I'm going to speak
Thank you.
Chinese the whole way.
We either get no wind or wind up to 35, 40. There's only two choices, no wind or 35, 40. We have a fall weather gear plus the fisherman raincoats, which is the oil skin. But still, we spend most of the days eating our meal, cooking our meal, and eating our meal in the rain. And we have to sit in the rain and eat in the rain and also eat with the rain. Plus the seawater spray as our spice.
Sleep in water.
And they have to sleep semi-submerged in the water, seawater, plus the rainwater. I don't know. Mine is one day too fast. And if you heard about something called water torture, here's we have 8 of them here. So if please join us.
And the sea rocks
It's a little, the sail's heavy and the wood is heavy. There was wood in the photo.
But the wood's supposed to be heavy.
Not as much, but I think a little. But
I
think my feeling is it's still too flat. It should be more around.
Why
to
don't
do
get
the
some
bondo.
bamboo?
Well, they didn't have bamboo here.
Goodbye.
And well, yes.
These 3 dishes and the fish can.
Wow.
Free can for each meal. Food can. And this one we call canned food. this is fish can.
Okay.
Canned fish. So.
偏偏啉甲这认香，因为我有满腹心事无得讲，请来酒国做英雄。干杯呀干杯，尽量扩大，莫搁想过去的创伤，搁想无路用，点出笑容。 我太好，行入梦中，每日醒来犹原是一尾活龙。哦，Thank you，谢谢。